Before the world pulls you into emails, deadlines, and noise, pause here. This moment is yours. Take a slow, deep breath. Feel your mind clear and your heart open to calm focus. Good morning, my friend. Right now, this is your space to slow down, to reset, to begin fresh. In these next minutes together, we'll breathe, release tension, and awaken a steady clarity you can carry with you through the whole day. So, let's begin. Let's start simple with your breath. It's the easiest way to return to yourself. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Feel the refreshing air clearing your mind, and breathe out through your mouth as if yesterday's weight is melting away. Again, breathe in calm, clear energy. Hold it softly for a moment and breathe out, letting your shoulders drop, your whole body soften. Notice how each inhale lifts you lighter and each exhale creates more space inside. If your mind drifts off, that's okay. Just come back to this gentle rhythm, in and out, steady, like the ocean tide that always returns. Take a few more breaths this way, each cycle grounding you deeper, each exhale opening your heart like the sea opening to the horizon. And now, with this calm foundation, let's gently turn inward, bringing your awareness to the sensations within your body. With your breath steady now, let's bring that calm into your body. Start with your shoulders. They've been carrying so much. Let them soften. Let them drop gently away from your ears. Bring your attention to your chest. Feel the rise and fall with each breath. With every inhale, invite in more space, and with every exhale, let ease flow through like a gentle stream. Now notice your hands. Soften your fingers, even the tiny muscles you didn't realize were tight. Let warmth move through your palms, as if the morning sun is gently resting there, and down to your legs. Heavy, steady, grounded. Imagine the earth holding you completely, absorbing any weight you don't need to carry anymore. Every part of you is softening now. Your forehead smooth, your jaw relaxed, your whole body shifting out of effort and into ease. And as you let go, notice what rises inside. A lightness, a quiet focus, like a still pond, clear enough to reflect the morning sky, steady enough to hold you through the day ahead. And from this stillness, allow your mind to gently open, ready to step into a calm morning scene. From this stillness, let's open your heart with gratitude. Think of one simple thing you're thankful for this morning. Maybe the sunlight warming your window, the sound of a bird outside, the comfort of a warm cup waiting for you, or simply the gift of having another day to live, breathe, and begin again. Picture it clearly in your mind. Breathe it in deeply. Let that gratitude spread through your chest as you inhale and as you exhale. Imagine it shining outward, gentle and effortless, like soft morning light, filling the space around you. Notice how your body responds. Your chest, lighter. Your breath, smoother. Your whole being, softening with ease. Stay with it for a few breaths. Gratitude flowing in, peace flowing out, as if every breath is planting seeds of thankfulness inside you. And remember, this gratitude is more than a feeling. It's the steady ground beneath your morning, a quiet strength you can carry into every step of the day ahead. And with this gratitude rooted inside, you're ready to gently let go of anything heavy that no longer serves you. With gratitude steady in your heart, let's gently anchor a few words to guide your day. Silently repeat after me, breathing in as you welcome each phrase and breathing out as you let it settle deeper. I step into this day with calm focus. I carry peace within me wherever I go. My mind feels clear, my body light, my heart open. I am steady, resilient, and ready to grow. Take your time. Let each phrase ripple through you, like drops of rain joining a quiet stream. Notice how your breath moves in rhythm with these words, how they are no longer just thoughts, but the gentle current shaping your energy. Each affirmation is a seed of calm and strength, already planted, already growing within you, ready to carry into the rest of your day. And as these affirmations take root, feel yourself standing taller, steady, centered, ready to carry this calm into all that awaits you. Beautiful. Notice where you've arrived. You've breathed deeply, softened your body, and anchored calm words within yourself. Now, imagine gathering all of that light, all of that steadiness, right into the center of your chest. With each inhale, feel it glow brighter, warmer. With each exhale, let it shine gently outward, like sunlight, spilling across a quiet morning. Notice how your breath carries it, a rhythm that steadies you, a rhythm you can return to any time. This calm strength is not rushed, not forced. It is steady, grounded, and always yours. And as you carry it into the day ahead, remember, whenever life feels heavy, you can pause, breathe in light, breathe out ease, and return to this clear, steady center within you. And as you step forward now, let this steady calm guide your breath, your choices, and every step you take today. Before you step fully into your day, take one last slow breath in and release it with a gentle smile. If this practice brought you calm, you'll see another morning meditation right here on screen, like a quiet companion ready to walk with you whenever whenever you need clarity, focus, or simply a pause of stillness. And before you go, I'd love for you to join our little ritual. Just type morning plus your word for today in the comments below. It's how we set our intentions together, and your word might inspire someone else reading alongside you. And if you'd like to go deeper, you'll also see the full morning journey playlist. Choose the one that calls to you, and let this gentle energy carry you into tomorrow. As you step into your day, carry this calm focus with you like a quiet light within. If you'd like to keep this gentle energy flowing, you'll find more guided practices waiting right here. One will guide you into tomorrow's morning with ease, and another opens the full morning meditation playlist so you can choose the path that feels right for you. And before you go, type your word for today in the comments, a simple ritual to set your intention and inspire others.